Daddy, Sanko Moody. Already, minimum me are discussing me, Pacho. My catch when they say possible. Because Daddy, me no work ready, Kayaka, me present me go to a school so abroad. Now me be take you over our company. Because send a woody can kind of me, corner me over. It's mean to now, my be in front of team. I'm sure what you must so. Into our real assembly, dear Miss Shaw, Daddy, fat room, China, me focus on medication.
And a crap, Madame Supply, and a crap, a Juman, dear, wa, and I'm a company in an answer. They won't say a bear, a chilling your bassa, and tinny per se, and a pebushia and the mouth. So the bear also a bravo by far. A dear and some see a boy as your bayety of you.
Daddy, I still stand by my words. Maybe school dance and our ready in the Madria Coso. Thank you.
Alia, school dear, book of school in an iscas, cannot soon make it so say. Maybe you would read him.
Daddy, I think say in common near the maybe school and son our arena. But the Madria Coso. There's nothing I can do about it.
Elia, who chair for Mary Swako? Who chair for Mary Swako?
Sorry.
Regarding Kobo, I'm now in Yesaba Payar.
Menqueva.
I never be our Payag Maragaiva.
If you want me, Mencosafio,
Not if you are a Usuana.
she.
Are
Nadine Mancano on the Menana. Medium son of Momotin, the go, be a macatchum semi papayari. She's a woman but I ever could see Kinkia chair, never panoya, and Menfanem Lao. She was Fatia, may yemen.
a woman is serious and any panny are between a bank or Smazy.
Oh, no, longo. To me, feel the miss you, Nana.
Kai dog or more live no metre. Yamia Kubo money.
I need to get a hard day.
I am Kubo money.
Ago.
Yes.
Ago.
Yes. I the security in you. Any bra.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
But your name's Paris.
Mr. Wallace in here. Na. My name is Mrs. Wallace and I'm not good. I don't come here.
But your papa near Babasi. No, I was in a home funny thing. I remember born here.
Ababa Sebano.
But I papa.
Hey, sir. Oh, okay. Now the day I know.
No one said I'm fine. I'm saying malaria until you see me marry country when I
It's on to me major.
I'm
what do you call? Me couldn't buy me one. Why? What do you call papa? Why? Hey. Now my miss out there frost eh?
Batch of this Sammy.
Samuel.
Batch of
Okay. All right.
Excuse me. Pacho, who are you? Open
Batch of berry and tower. It's not my cast matcher. Miss Papa near Babasi.
Ababa say.
Security man.
Really?
Batch of
Ababa say banel.
Batch of
Oh my God. Anyway, said there some number.
when you home fan into one maker ever ball. The boss some money.
Oh, you okay?
Batch of I malaria. You know better. You know me. Can you be
Wow. Miss your family, yeah. My father name, Mr. Wa.
Oh, sir. Because mommy been on Cotono.
That's my mom.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
The friends are meeting in case he be a baby.
I'm so hungry. You know. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm full. You know America. We eat more food. Father, you know America. We eat 3 times a day. You know. Shit. Dog. You know America, we eat 3 times a day. Dog! Why? That's it! Why you give me some small food, you give me to food, huh? Oh, what I'm doing, but I'm lying, please, I'm hungry still, I'm hungry.
Baron. For baby in nature, so I mean.
Just say, and the clan and one, and I want hot dog.
My men from moving in this way.
Yeah, I need rice and meat. Yeah, I like it, this mommy, I love you.
How many cups?
My men from moving in this way.
How many cups? Oh, I need 10 cups. I like it. Oh.
My men put this in this way.
Yes.
Good, Jai.
Yeah.
Wallace.
Yeah, Baron.
Yami no crane. Yami enshira one wo yere. Abna good. Ena Alea. My idea for inviting us to come and have a dine with you people. And in fact, a dranet day. My idea.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Boy, why we me kill him more? Being I'm called there, you more. Fancy me call can't Aja, because I'm called too. Hey, Papa Nibano, Missiano beat now. Hey, you get more for you. Some say me a wine. I'm telling you, Papa didn't pass me now. No, say I'm so I say, you got to get on this 3 minutes style and get near come again.
Son. That's a nice person.
Oh, yeah. Say that I'm rude. No, your rules out. Come on, I didn't say, boy.
Now, what's your number?
Me.
Wait there. Me fa kwenye we so nye introduction kakra.
Okay.
Enchire mo say ya be family friends yi there. Me ba. Na no America. Onu ni. Muzuela, sani friend.
Muzuela.
Ai.
Muzuela
Bentum.
Yes, Muzuela Bentum.
Bentum.
Okay. Wait, I'm coming. What up? Sylvie. Oh!
Baron. Sir, maybe you didn't tell me.
Yeah, oh, I
Muzuela. That is our daughter too. She's called Alea.
That's their daughter.
Alea.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so beautiful name. Alea. Okay.
It's also Benio.
Me ba no.
Bakupe.
Yeah, my proud son. I'm very proud of him.
Yami achawade.
Oh, as you can see, no. So call YouTuber Bentum 5. Now in the videos be brave ego.
Yes.
They answer the call YouTuber search engine no about Bentum 5. Actually, the videos be brave ego. Over share feeling.
Tell me that I want to try to come to a musician.
Back, Robert Saboy.
Yes.
And you're not a father.
They say you are welcome.
Thank you.
Akwabo.
Thank you.
Number, I mean, could you yam name called around Sanati?
One number.
My number.
What?
Share.
No, my want to mention a man.
Boy, who may have seen me?
You got him.
Come on. Hey, come on. We didn't got you.
Sammy Blanaso. You'll be out by the Robert. Blanaso. Sorry.
Oh, they're telling us.
You're demanding a day. Go to dinner, them. About what Dana was on
For you, they're rough, man.
Tanaka can
They're rough, my wife.
Mr. Wallace.
You see, I sent me a bar, never catch a bay.
A chairman, sir.
Digging now one put your shape behavior.
Hey,
Shani, my whole done a doer.
Now, wait, dear, better, your bear money. My dear.
You did make a chance of brought you and you do Bermana.
My dear Wallace, I don't think this boy will tick any of the boxes Aliyah will want in a man. Is it personality? Is it behavior?
Yeah. Interesting Mambasa. Just a good woman, yes, you. Should you decide what day?
His behavior is very deplorable.
Say yes, I'm one 10 cash now.
Oh, yeah, right?
Now, I one dish one function, you will move here. I think you won't give me the amount.
Ah, Nancy, Baroni, say none of the bait, see, and was so much get it all, and the bed never worry.
He's aware of it. Where, pa?
Where they say the papa is
What do you imagine say? That was one year by crowd a while. Over from crying. Over kick.
About them. My dear, about them.
This is the problem to say. Uncle Ben, I any baby. That's my biggest problem for now. We had in the public do it.
Maybe I will broach him, maybe I will broach you.
No, or shouldn't tell this in Ukraine. As a book to me, if you took on your money or should change it with bring no fake wow.
Dubai Shenshon.
So we may not take a cry.
Ah, yet when yet I go near to
go be good, I will be one once a week, very good.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Oh,
Yanko Panado Mummy, now say.
Boko.
Oh, Madame. No, Miss Molliton Fifi. I agree.
Wait there. The last time, me who guy boy, or send a papa no one I'm say, hey, see your family say now can home for me.
One, remember I. Samiana,
Sammy.
Oh, say, Membano, where you two? Samina Regan. On a making a mla, one of my female, no was.
Yeah,
on within a jalation or the fire extinguish a big chamber.
You said that.
A janashaman. In your.
Guy.
Oh, when if you the one you know you power, Pammy then without but you said the Miffy being you. I remember on when ye I eat them.
Wow. He's such a nice guy.
Oh, no.
But I said I'm not here. No, be our while so on me discuss it or family. Be you know, what you might young fan or catch me way. Me who no me am shame me tian improve because I'm new so bad.
Oh, was said a mancho. Honor yes, I may remember paying Regan on an oyakets one. Too much is spent away. It's a map, Mumma Machi beam. It's a wing putting Mumma Machi beam, my opinion. Mamma the Betty Jimmy Keke. In your.
That's all I'm a day, bro.
You, Madasi, Madasi. You.
Enjoy.
Oh, you, I'm enjoying.
Kisha, I know that my father is not very interested with my marriage because you know that it's a marriage, that's why I came to Ghana. But when I came, my father, today, if I ask him what was going on, he put me to different day. The day come, he started holding on to different day. I don't understand. because I don't know my father, the thing he wants me to do. The last time they said that the girl was off.
She was in school?
Yes, he was in school. I know that if he can talk to agree with me. But still, I'll be waiting, can't see anything. My father was helping me for my marriage.
Okay.
Please, my problem is I want you to help me.
City boys.
Here we are.
City boys.
Here we are.
City boys.
Here we are.
When I make your friend, what are you? No.
Meaning, I said, I said, no question of this. Well, as not some bed them the natural. Oba who know who said we city in and good.
Why, when you have baby and why you bet him the nurse for pay and I
balance.
Be balance me. See, we check a cross.
Malas, we talked about my son. And Waba. They say, well, from this issue, say, Yemfa will be full. Maybe I didn't talk about anybody.
I understand you perfectly well.
So I want you to work with me to go to the house, to go and talk, and I should marry the girl because I get a few days I want to go. Please help me, my stepmother.
All right. I understand the whole situation. Oba, I know was good, but right now she's in the house and see. But I was like, Papa coming. Once we there, me know Papa, me I can't go there with you alone.
Stepmother, I know that, but I know that my father was not interested with me. That's why I want to tell you that you follow me and go and get the marriage for me.
I will, but all this I have to talk to your daddy first because I cannot do that without his consent.
Oh, I know that, but you
yes,
know that.
I'll go there with you alone, but I have to inform him before. It's not right. We can't just go there without his consent.
You don't understand me.
I'm promising you, I will take you there.
If you tell him, he tell you that you should stop.
Leave that part to me. I'll convince him.
Oh, okay.
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 Leave that part to me.
But you say you can go with me.
I'll take you there. Don't worry.
You take
I'll
me
go with you.
Okay. Thank you.
Go and get something to eat. Okay, we'll talk about this later.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, stepmother.
Yeah.
Please, you sleep or you go?
To the girls' place?
No. This place, this house.
Yes, I'm sleeping here today.
You sleeping here today?
Yes.
Okay. I'll tell the lady to go and swim the room for you.
Okay.
And I know you need a bed for you.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Okay. Go and get something to eat. Love you too.
Okay, I love you.
Right.
We buy the son was here. Like father, like son.
Me no wodi agwache. Enye usubani bindi kura no bindi kura sa abofra no. He's different. Na ni mudua ni suban
Ni yobia.
ni kasa kura sholi pa kasa ni.
And we su kura no onya ware pe. Obesisa.
Debi.
Baron. Ya na ye mistake. Obi ntimi sisa obi o. Eya no bu a ohia obi a. Ose ne e me ye na kakra da achi obesisa ana me why no obesisa. Nobody can change anybody unless the person is willing to change for him or herself.
Baron, kuni ame bebe biye ni obi.
Pacho, yeah, cheers. Boa, não piace. Raja Uber. Oh, mendai dan kawana.
Enyo mabi lo kolo a. Mo dwene ho a mentase. Metase so a, mo dwene ho. Hwe a fe ni tai lady boy. Musu so wan. Musu lo so wan. Hwe nkwasedi oda no do. Wodin ye musu. Hwe nkwaseda ane do ba bayi wo fi ha. Ozo ni kire den. Ekase gidi. Abra mo asam yin. Oba den. Osimu den. Do go bayi obedi dem mo asam wo fi ha. Na mesremu de adibi wo hono a onya ka mo fo wonnan no wo fancy fom because if you are no no yeti asum dream ye nyina ye ni jibo fia atasa maye mama on fa ni musum on fa mese nyam wo fia o senti ni de hwe mesima wo bebe ni ho ye fie na wodi no kwako ma musole hwe beyin na nyim na sabi oda wo be no do na sabi no hunsu kogu no mu yale ba wo be no benyan onya yale ba ketwa mesew do won bombo dian no do won fa wo nansifum na mo mfa ne mamusola mesem ankasa because mo no ko do fia se ma meka bie onya fine because ma so ye panyin e wo fia ha no mo ono enti na maba
ababa se yedi kameda wase
Oh.
Say wadwene eye mabusu e wadwene pa oso futu kakra obetime de amaye no waba se wode be maye but on senior maybe ase
Amen.
and enye bibia na metime so acheche omo baba say you will never understand what is going on and I am not at liberty to explain certain things to you. I am not a happy woman.
Sammy, it's the same.
I had my you.
I don't know me say. Now, unka na ofi.
Ani o, nkwana. Me aboy no pie.
I see. Oh, Papa, the evening is always you.
Yeah, on point.
Okay. Me pa o. E ba mo ba ha mi sure. Me pese o father me hu se me ba.
Oh, that
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. That reminds me. Fun when I want to make us also say no because I you be wo maintain your work. I have to ask. What's it say, sir? Let me see your phone.
Is that was so streamy? Oh, yeah, phone it. Oh.
I'm for that so use phone way. Anyways, anya she.
Say me nya juma itina ya. Dem si me mama ni je.
Ah, so tell me, I didn't know nya juma.
Oh, me school, no me is slow, we say ja. I see your protocol. Old boys so ni bi. Me check come about. Skenyo, ti ya, why say. It may need to say ja. Chance be ba baby ya.
I understand. And I won't yak it one so.
I mean, I don't quite know. We pempe crash, but as a nanyuma is loser, and so no need go for be on board into Sadaka.
Into what?
Into Sadaka, mom boat to Sadaka.
Wow.
Ranch your bones or cry.
Wait there, I was just passing by. More neighborhood, Namsi Mammy Frana, Minchiao. Into the baby, and a man cockana on a mimoska, Nakoto iPhone. The next time I'm a friend, Pesamity, where's BOAKYE? You understand?
I go now, dear.
I mean it. It's Menche. No, it's okay. It's okay. Until the young cop.
Be sorry. It's
okay.
In fact, my family is not happy at all. There's no happiness in this house. And so then America. Abasa. Yema nko yi o. Ababa say, Yaman koye kra.
Obi. Abrabode the man or tea. Aya, or today be a Uja dandan. Say Uja dandan them na, no cheddar sabi. One for one bama, I couldn't need the shaken. Monsieur, I.
Abassa. I'm not happy at all. I don't like the way things are going on in this house.
But my bell could is saying, I the Muslim Pelimusu. Eh, Muslim, I'm one yefe. At the swing chin. Ye, my pocho. Mensu, I. Na, come up my fat to him. Bibia bay come. See, can I say be a good baby funte? Na sabi or you nip sabi or then kiss can put a bone bottom. Or young wasama, a rather nancy, or to the beer. Myself. Painful in there, a wise to the wise is a wise. It's a messel. They come up my fat to him. I foot took a trend there, made a banyan.
Thanks for your concern and advice. I'm Mr. Marcel. Say, Abrantian. Obahana would say,
Oh, massacre.
Mr. Now, I would tell dear, near obey be an maninye. Empire na mebo says, Sebi. If I did can come and agony.
Empire.
None near my buffon.
I mean,
Abassa.
Madam, I don't be a wedge moon. Empire won't to add Mr. Pie born a good to Master San by Jim. There were bomb pie there with Jim for Bessa. Yes, so bad as I see you, and Sanchini being what you so. One ye be that, or it's in the fin of it when you were. At the coupe, now yes, went to Mansa, only Jim. Jimmy the hair, yes, so ye, I went to Mansa, the Yalaban. In the part the best with Jim for Yalabo better poured on the lalai, says Simmehu, one of us son, still, where Jim, to one of the Mamma Sacre me and find empire, Mr.
Please, exercise restraints, okay?
Exercise
restraints. Well, when he comes here, just let him be.
Martin, aye. Thou mess up, aye.
My stepmother, Tisha, please. You know my problem. The reason why I'm here in Ghana. Please, talk to her. Talk to her because I don't have a good mood at all. Because of the marriage, that's why I traveled from US into Ghana. Please talk to your friend. Talk to your friend to love me. You know, cause I cause. You know the reason why. You know that we are in lesson time. Because of your love, I came here. When you came here, I come to marry you. See your disgrace. See your behavior. What are you taking me for? I'm not a nice boy. Please, Madam Gold, talk to your son. Talk to your son. You know, a lot of money my father gave it to your husband. Am I lying? Why do you tell your son to love me? Why don't you tell him? Do you think my father is spending the money? It's easy. It's easy. That money, my salary, they inside. Why you disgrace me? My stepmother, why you looking at my face like that? Talk. I said talk. I'll bring you here. I'm not a television. I'm not a television. Am I television? Oh, damn. When I'm coming here, I think the flight don't drop the eggs. I take jump. When I die, you cry or you laugh. My stepmother, am I lying? When I fall down in the flat, when I go die, you cry or you don't cry.
Boy, and I tell you at the hey, who's many aja misses?
I didn't
boy. Oh, and you just said I'm a baby about. Mewana, hey, lady out, that baby at that age, man. Or my bag girl. Mewa, who's a caca CBBC or now, gay in it. Sir, boy, me if she means if God die, you began and you not to die with your mono or boy. Obusa say oh and I'm so happy. Say commodity muna Jack. So the new busa say me phone. And I be me phone. Because me come me friend me phone. Say ah now nice guy say now phone cry. I say Jack. Nkoma me new di boy. We catch the was so me catch the one.
Oh uni ya.
So no kompese da kura be hu so aba.
Okay.
Asan me catch no tiri.
Tiba.
To. E ja be phone ya me de kire no. Oye na fe I say say ma why me basa was streaming that phone any when you phone na me
no nim de o
yeah timi ko ja no ka no ko ja ge o ka me de me say ja me jan kwa ma na was boy ge yimpi Africa yi mumra
ay
boy dollars
anya ko
ore boy ba ko boy
ay
just one can cry you no simenji
so you see ano
boy hey me no ezonya ska hey akomo so ana hey tisi ano akoma ba ezonya ska ko hey nyabuti tire wo.
Please love me. Now I love you. If you are a woman, man say that he love you. You to love his son. Why? Your name look like a musician. Look like a musician. If you love me, I'll take you. I'll push you to become a big star. Like a Beyonce. Then, if you love me, I'll take you to Massachusetts. Please help me. Love me. My heart be your heart. My heart, the last time, my stepmother, listen to me. The last time, it compared me. That's my big insult. Insulting me. When I come Ghana, you insulting me. You compare me, patapa. That's the big insult you insult me. Because of your love, I'll come here. Compare me to the different, a beautiful person. Like Majid. Like Majid. Or Don DeMelo. If you compare me, I'm all right. You take me to a patapa. Like a really bad one, a slow to a slow. Hey, please, tell your son to love me. My heart day on his heart.
What's me from Koto iPhone? On person next time, I'll be banning and I'll be human. Let me cross I am with you.
Where's your iPhone?
Boy,
I iPhone did to as you.
Boy, really, you bear me and send me a bit to me at all. Nadia can hear
not what
you see. Roses, you boy, see, like me.
And them dead.
What you see.
Scary.
Boy, without a CRA, question we need brand new final line, and we'll see it to me better.
Ah,
I could be a union to clear any more.
Would we mamma Shem when I said, because some
brand new friend, dear Numre.
I don't know.
Boy, because some bra, and they'll see a Pemaraju video, and yet to Kulelo.
We're coming, you.
Debbie, Escawa. I do
know.
Boy, forget in our course, Sabra. Well, all comes to some you, and yes, what was our media you might do. So me and the course Sabra.
Hey, again, I say, when I'm in Sarah,
only be. The way I'm said in your Melcona, go over to me, a boy.
Obey me.
Obey me, a
boy, and also with me, a boy. Come on, I didn't say,
I dream I made you, obey to me.
No phone can now, don't cry, we can grab the top phone now. There can be a picture, will be brave with Bradley.
I guess, obey to me, a boy, or as you drive, no new way, and finish drive. It will be to me.
Whereas I know Hagen and I saw it.
May Hagen, you go. boy na ne ho perfume kro boy me tie boy no kind of perfume kro go omo dam.
Hey, I'm out.
Sing it to Pam.
Sing it for. Ababasa. Are you doing work? You are security. You are sleeping. Do you want thief to come and collect a thief? My husband, father.
I will you answer, Emma. Why did you me down? Boy, hey, I'm a boy, I'm a dio. Hey, I wire in the Master and Yama will fool me down. What do you know about Bobasa? Why do they done? Open mamma to the mother, make him my mouse me, Amici. I'm going to say Subasonin.
What try you to tell me? Huh? You are security. You are sitting here. If some armed robber come here to come and steal my wife, father, do you like it?
With Sabo foam. If I'm sleeping, I'm not back come. You know, on your man's and Wada. Huh? Or the boatman to the pebble wadi without my consent.
And then I want to teach you that it's not the work you are doing. If you are going to our white place, security man don't work like that.
Which white place?
American, US. I stay. Huh? Security don't work like that. You are security. You are sitting here to dream. Huh? You are still here to dream a lot of numbers.
So security, mama na. Huh?
Hey, is that how they teach you that like a security is work? Then you are telling me that I pick something like for to eat?
Yes, of course. Because what you know, I there who bring to one, it's not working.
Hey,
what do you me? Of course, I'm telling you, Obian can't order. What mean you me?
Me?
Oh,
I
yeah.
have authority to tell my wife father to work you out.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Me, I'll tell you to work you out because you don't know how to the security do it. Hey,
apart from that, Obia one casa in there. Akwasi, America, how many years?
I mean, yes.
You travel America?
I'm sitting in America 70 years. 70 good years.
I look but damn. How many years? I was in America 70 years.
Oh, I forget. 25 good years. I'm a citizen.
I'm not a speakers.
25
speakers.
I'm a citizen. 25 years.
At me, I show there. America, baby, I would do your cocoa now. What's in got him? No, I want not quite nine. See, because Joe Desson. What about that? What about it? I go America for him. I say, Jay won't careless now. What tell we don't so like? Obi other let the traffic. Oh, but that's the mean they're going on.
I'm a burger. I'm a burger. I'm a rich burger. That's why I'm dressed like this. Hey, today, let me tell you. I'll tell my wife father to work you out.
I will never be paying pennies in my blood.
Hey,
please don't touch him. Look at him. Look at him very, very well.
Yes, I'm looking like you.
How do I look like?
You look like a monkey.
I'm very scary, eh?
Yes, scary.
Very scary.
Very scary. You are a monkey.
And what about you?
Me, I'm so beautiful, like.
When you listen, you are more than scary.
Me?
When you listen, baby.
Hey, my
friend.
You try to beat me.
Oh, it's so when you, it's so papa. Man, tell you, it's so when you need to. I'm sure. Oh, I'm sure. No, when you, papa. And that. That's about Nebusu, Quasisu, and I back him Gumasu Mobile. I damn your name. But that's on your side. I say, I love Madame. I don't catch you be sent important by one. Will be a gym that would be 7 more with ya.
You try to beat me.
Shunyansa,
you try to beat me.
Like a moment today.
I'll tell my wife father to walk you out.
Me, are you my sitting position? You give me.
Me?
I want to take my mom.
It's not me giving this job to you. By me, I have authority to sack you. But I have authority. You see what I do to you.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm like, I was waiting on my power. Hey, so when I'm like, this is new. I already care what system medium. I you party, hello.
Hey, that's it.
Sammy. Phone you call Nyano.
That's where I was at me. I was in the
Sammy. Me say phone you crown Unyano way. I'm shy. Hey, Sammy. What picture that's a phone over there.
Now them still be there. I want to be present for and I was asking me with Sammy. A good word, JD.
Sammy cannot credit him.
Because
one time she move across the sun.
There be on it coming a mubasa. Me, judgment and no chasing me a movie. As a man, okay. I be bad, I don't know.
Sammy cannot credit him. Why not the phone we mount? Because we who your phone when you crowd.
Why not you tell you? Why don't you love you? Why don't you love you? You think somebody beat me, you don't catch me, huh? Why don't you know what you want? You want to run? Why not? I catch you.
What is going on here?
I don't know what is going on here.
You know, talk the truth. Talk the truth.
Papa said, why did you beat my in-law?
I mean beatings. Oh, I can't meet me yet.
So, is he telling lies?
No, if I beat him, I tell I beat him.
Hey!
I not beat him.
So what did you do to him?
You know, Mendahanum, and my boom can Medakakra. Atasa.
Milo is lying. I'm told the truth. He's sitting here sleeping, dreaming like a autonomous. That's why I shout him there. You are skating. Stand up. Skating not sleep like that.
You on your duty sleeping?
Yes.
Oh, boss.
Ababa say.
Could me do that? Mean to me yet. My boom can quetch kakra. Monday. When Wabakam Gumasho, not a tough from Maswa.
Hey! I know when is that?
Tough from Maswa.
I know when is that?
Ababa say. Did you beat him or not?
Madam God, not.
Did you lay your hands on him?
No laying.
You lay, yes.
What did you do?
I no beat him. But the point of collection, you know, she's trying to and I hold them chest for further intonation.
So you wanted to beat him?
No. That is for
So what are you holding his hands for?
For further intonation, security.
To block him?
Mom, I had my both my bomb room, and then I hold in chest so that I conquer him, so that he cannot do a bottle inside the unto son. It's a man one.
Listen to me. Yes. He's my in-law.
Yes.
He's part of this house.
Yes.
So this should be your last warning.
Yes.
Lay your hands on him, right?
Yes.
I know lay.
Ababa say.
Chest.
Listen to what my husband is saying.
For an idea, me nigga be having any quote, you Frabuchava, so share me out that woman from me, I'm missing so, yeah, from radio and fatal crowd boy. I will be out your school and I will be a face there, what then I'll laugh at time. No lie, no the iPhone man.
Let us see me tion ko money mu ya. Be man to phone ni ma.
Ah, be man dey ma. Ni ga me ni ko ti na dey ma.
Ah. Same. Ejuma na wo hye ne mfa.
Ah.
Be man to iPhone ma no yonko be ma.
Ah, na dey be man to iPhone ma no yonko be ma dey. News are. Ah, baby jade o na me dey. Na say. I dey na buy.
Enso mu, e dey na me dey buy.
Oh, baby, I didn't.
Unya ejuma ko iPhone say busam say dey na me dey buy.
Ah.
E dey na me dey buy oh.
Ah. Oh babe, oh babe. Ola koko na me nya kwan ni na yi.
Under no condition are you to beat or lay hands on this young man again. He is our in-law. Even if he misbehave, just control yourself, okay?
Yes. Okay. I will understand.
Now, apologize to him.
Why? Apologize to who?
I see.
Ababa say, apologize to my
Debbie. Ah, me jina me nyabo flabo. Let me hear me bana panic for what reason?
Go on your knees.
Oh, Debbie, one
Hey, apologize. You say apologize.
Go on your knees.
Wa abo me ebo. Mo wa help you.
Apologize.
Go on your knees.
Ah.
Lay down.
Okay.
Me nyebi. Ai.
Muzuela, have you forgiven him?
I'm forgiving him.
Okay. Get up.
Get up.
Ababa said, under no condition are you to maltreat.
My wife is talking to you. What are you looking for?
Ababa said, I said under no condition are you to maltreat my son-in-law when he comes to this house. Do you copy?
Do
you copy?
He said, do you cooperate?
All right.
Are you cooperate into your mind?
He is part of us.
Yes. Tell him.
Never do that again.
My in-law.
Mizuela, you two, behave. Oh, sorry.
You want to shout me? You want to shout me?
No, she's just playing.
So you want to shout me?
No, she's just playing.
Ti boss ni parody ma so ale kawulo. Hearing. Ni jan mo ma so a.
Are you a rabbit?
But ma so be kawulo.
Are you a rabbit?
Or ma so a.
Are you a rabbit?
It's okay.
Are you a rabbit? I've come to chill with you.
Sama so hu hia mo.
Okay, my in-law.
Say na me ma so hu hia mo.
He tried to beat me. Yes.
He's too funny, man.
That's why. Oh, it's not good. It's not good.
Obi boy we ma so a me nya mo we ma so a. Me yimu ti fe ma so hia mo kiti mpo. Me nya mo we aso ani. Kweli we jimo. We yo ye de bia ka fomfom pa o. Ama obi atena bo chini. Awa woske na ntodo. Onwa anya fe. Na wa brechini no kwani den. Ya ne be je dire wa akwa brechini ma biem. Yi oye de be ya ka o fomfom. Ahante fomfom. Jimo pote.
Thank you.
Guys, bravo. Sexy baby.
Phone away. And is say the one that what download the WhatsApp, TikTok, BBR.
Pia. Ah. And then you book you. I said me share na. No, I said me show me chimo mo cry.
Okay. Now my plan is say, if you send me the quiet some shopping, be mount. Taren and Pabwaka cry.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, I see more. You want me to go to find you? Ah, boy, pa. I'm bring us a minya penyezu. Ah,
okay, Tino. Unya bibi ama catch your friend me.
Oh, Mati.
Oh, ayiko. Kwaso fumano no. Kwaso na feeding no. So a school feeding program feeding no. Hey, Sammy.
Wallace. Only happen good. And never go what? Sabe mo e fia. Many je ho. Ya so ya na akwa kwese. Ayon kofa eda me no mo ntemuti no. Ade bo ana meje. Ma je gu. There have been several reports from my son that whenever he comes here with security no, one no eham so. To the sense say, to me so me bay mu, to me wo so some sabe me bay onya be. To me dey pem dan. Me bay to e brodua. Wallace. She me bay awari e dawa ono oba be ware. Ne to now et me she e mo security no. What me bay say dia. Na she say there are some things I don't understand. Why should that happen? Somebody should tell me something.
Ababa say. Bra.
Ababa say.
Ababa say.
Madam, good.
Why have you physically assaulted my in-law?
Why is he also physical fool like that?
Hey! Wait! I didn't tell that answer. Who did say me bano? Or bro, you are so again. Massa! I'm fine.
Ababa say. Baron Pacho.
I'm fine.
Never pay.
Is that any of your business?
See, I can't pass me. Of course, I'm saying, I'm about your friend. Sammy, mentor Janima Wuni, mentor Tarama, mentor Pabua, and my own share, including boxes.
What's going on?
Hey, mammy, come on to me, mouth. Hey, it's a certain number to have one sinner. Says I'm your fantasy, maybe I see a man in the banos, it's a canine bano, and not to present. Excuse me. Excuse me, mammy, mouth. Sammy, thou don't know. I asked my Jimmy Young. Mimi feed you. No damn, what a funny papa for.
Baby, I'm Papa Juman, and a master in Baron. Oh, and your life, yeah.
I never stand about Madame for. What's the name of Madame for? What's the name of your talking mates? Sammy, Manunco. Mammy, Friaco. Mammy, Friaco. See when you saw. Maybe a woman you saw. Mamma, son. Hey, tell me. What's that say? What's up, some in your day? Mimi feed you. Mentor Tarama won't say. Mentor, hey, first of all, Mammy free up. Hey, Mabu and Sue. Mabu and Sue. Mitchell John. Mabu and Sue. I also made you. Samuel, Samuel. Hey, Sammy. What damn? And the young lady, Sammy.
Hey. In paying fast, my work can't be a local.
Go on your knees.
What's in there? Or soon to move. I will come when any dress a papa or when you feel. Yeah, we give me a few at.
Go on your knees.
When you be a pet, it's one of my panic.
Both. Rare an apology.
Dead be.
I said just do it.
It's one of my panic.
I apologize to both.
Wouldn't mean
both of them, yes.
That's the way you sent my fan pack with you. What about the same thing?
Well, please.
Eja handsome. Eja Miss Malaika, season 4. Eja beautiful tree. Ow! What my end brother say? Now we have shadow. Now do you so order. Amen. Mupocho fachem.
Wallace. We Emma Mete and Penica Sebias say. So pass them. I catch and Yankopon one, and I catch him from her. So today, you have conspired with your security man to insult me and my family.
Oh, you are on.
Okay, talk to me, brother. Mate.
Boro. Ababa say. You are going to be the death of us in this house. Ababa say. It's all the one crack.
That's it.
I said me a go what this is.
Any respect. Any respect.
My man, you do me respect me. I said, men a pet. My man, you be missing your respect to be many pet.
Where do you always see Kappa? Miss Obusia.
I have to sack him.
My friend, sir.
Sorry.
Really? Maybe what me sorry. Me what them you na meet why am father ne me mother ne ukasaye. Me ni anje ho fa che me. Say. So sorry.
Oya din.
I know.
Oya din. O de wo ma me na papa wo hu le me nya little childrens. Me nya buflaba. Twede we si tientiam wanyemla kasa na ade. ablabɔ no mama abadamu sɛbe ka opanyin na ɔte dam ɔnya me pɛ dɛ sɛ me yɛ security ɛwɔ obi a me yini ti pen yɛ pɛ anade sɛbe bi a me mfim pobotum akɔ anyim kakra sen but ablabɔ no mama abadam mama kana ta asa
I know.
but me pɛ wasɛm ɔno so nkyɛ dɛ no kwal no wɔ hɔ a men kan fanche Bible says mo nyim no kwal a wan kan ɔyɛ bɔnde ma de mo yipa no ahu bia maba mama mo how ai mama mo how
me tiase unim se mfie bebre na oni me papa no aye adwuma unim se nye sei na wotie asem na ayede aba nti ne entwi nko mu bebre uje onda me hu sa se how bala unti me nka hwe nye hwe wate
no oham
bia be fine
mati but ma meken na ma wadwen enkodo yen because when painful sin there mo wo onye de ye wo adenyin wankasa wode ti ona mo wanyi yade ewo school na esepede ekọ no hwe demu benyini a wase wode lo komani hwe benyin nanyim de kaka aku se mo wo ba na se ose na agi wokọ no wokwaje forest na wo bi ezu na wode mo framani koguo hwe benyin nanyim onkoye
nye na nim nko an ni
bibia na no kasa ni bibia onkoye tinu mante yinti na di machila ali tenti mi
na me ya pa to be honest
ma ha
ma fa wo se me papa preko penti no se bibi obi kasa twa me papa sa enye me de
ma o sa wachi kofi na ma so mi kofi na ma akwada kakra ai nne na ai da yo ho akam tinu me kwa akwada kakra
since I make say bibi afri mu
motuma ye afi mu ba se kira mada ai yo ti nyam nya admo akina me ba ai yo
acha me ye aduane a me ma obi mi ana me
mate ai yo mama mo how ai bye bye besia kama wo force na wada na ma control fi awal how
I'm so happy. My stepmother, I have a problem with you. Why? You know my problem. The reason why I'm here. Every day, I'll take you to come here. When you come, you don't talk. Why? I'll take you to here to come and help me for my marriage. Why? Anytime you come here, I think you and this family, you are one. That's why when I bring you here, you don't want to help me. Why? If you don't want to help me, when I come, anytime you want to work with me, why? I don't want that. I hate that. Why? I think you know that you are not. It's not you pregnant me. That's why you want to do me like that.
Ade, I know if you can call fast to buy. Oh, Papa Gio, have you forgotten? Say I was the same person. I had to talk to your daddy to accept you back.
I know that you are the same person. Why don't you help me?
So don't talk to me that way.
I know that, but okay, help me.
What do you want me to do now?
Anytime you come here, you come and eat. Only food I'll take you here to come and eat. Why? Madam God, please talk to my stepmother. Talk to him. Why?
You are making noise.
You know that
Kisha.
Yes.
No, Ade. They pay me be general. See ya. Me no me honka sem di wechiba say. And no.
Wow. Right now, your hands are holding your back. Right now, your hands are holding your back. Sister, who says, as you wait to a jolly, me wa. Hey. Oh, yes, they said, if any man debate you, check your prof. I go back home, offload to mom. Why? Why? You think I don't know I don't have anything to do? The money my father gave it to you. My money there inside. Am I lying? Why you do me like this?